Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to this session of Wellness Wonderland Learning. Today, I am going to tell you about how to make your CV. That is, when it comes to job hunting, your CV, curriculum vitae, and cover letter are the first impression. Here is how to craft professional and impactful documents that will help you stand out from the competitions. Now, step one is the crafting an impressive CV. A CV is a summary of your education, experience, skills, and accomplishments. So, it should be effective so that employers can get attracted after seeing your CV at the first stage, that is, at first glance, you can say. So, first of all, use a clear structure, that is, content. You have to make very clear-cut content, that is, contact information first comes, full name, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile. You should make a very good LinkedIn profile so that any employer can visit your profile and know what are you doing and how you are working and where you have worked. Then professional summary, a 2 to 3 sentence snapshot of your skills and cover goals. What is your goals and what were your career goals also? And what is your career goal now in future? Then comes work experience. Use reverse chronological order, that is latest first job and then gradually downward you go. And highlight achievements using quantifiable metrics, that is, for example, increased sales by 20%. This will be more effective. Then you put the educational qualification, mention your degrees, certifications and relevant courses. And skills, list hard and soft skills relevant to your job. What is your actual experience, that is on-site experience, and also your soft skills. What you know. This is very important and it will make a very choosy for the employer to select you. Then comes additional section, that is, if it is applicable, that is languages. What are the languages you know? Volunteer work, projects, on which projects you have worked. You make slight detail of your projects, where you have worked, and then awards. If you have been awarded, then you mention it. It will be more attractive. Then formatting tips you have to apply here. That is, use professional fonts like Arial or Times New Roman. Size should be 10 to 12. Then keep the design simple and easy to read so that employer can read it at a glance, and limit your page to 1 to 2 pages only. Then tailor for each job. Customize your CV to highlight the experiences and skills most relevant to the job you are applying for. Then comes cover letter. Cover letter is very important. A cover letter complements your CV by explaining why you are the best fit for the job. So here is how to write it. Start with a professional header, that is, include your name, contact details, and date at the top. Below that, add the hiring manager's name, if you know, then hiring job title and the company address. Then grab attention with the opening paragraph, that is, address the hiring manager's name, if possible, if you know. Then mention the position you are applying for and a brief reason why you are interested for this particular job. After that, you showcase your value, that is, highlight specific achievements that align with the job descriptions. Explain how your skills and experiences can benefit the company. Use numbers to emphasize the results, that is, manage a team of 15 and increased efficiency by 30%. This will be more effective and it will attract the employers' attention. And end strong, that is, express enthusiasm for the opportunity. Thank the hiring manager for considering your application. Include a polite call to action, that is, I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how I can contribute to your team. And last comes formatting tips, that is, keep it to one page. Use professional tones and avoid generic phrases. Then proofread for errors. It is very essential. You have to repeat the proofreads. Then you can use the online platforms for building your CV, a better CV. Online platforms like Canva or JT, very good platform where you can draft your CV. And also you can use AI writing tools, that is Chat GPT, for drafting and refining the content of your CV. Then you can, after getting the content drafted, then you can modify it as per your requirements. Then grammar checkers, tools like Grammarly ensure your documents are error free, and you should use this because there may be chance that it may have error. Then you give final thoughts, that is your CV and cover letter are your gateway to a job interview. Investing time to make them polished and tailored can significantly boost your chances of success. And then you can apply for the job. Ready to land your dream job? Start creating your winning CV and cover letter today and get the job. Thank you very much.